गोग्रास में सब। Hello guys, I am from Gogras Maths Hub. I am going to discuss some concepts related to chapter 5 continuity and differentiability. These concepts will be covered here in part 5 today. Now I am going to write concept number 1. Concept number 1 imply that let U and V be two continuous functions in domain D. In domain D, then then imply that product equal to UV and product will be UV and division equal to U over V. On differentiating on differentiating UV with respect to X. Here X is a variable and U is one function and V is another function. Then it comes out to be d over dx uv is equal to first function dot d over dx of second function plus second function dot d over dx. This is product rule. Product rule. D over dx first function multiplied to second function is equal to first function u dot d over dx second function plus second function dot d over dx first function. This is the product rule you must remember. And division division equal to u over v. Division equal to u over v. Here I shall write on differentiating u over v with respect to x. On differentiating u over v with respect to v x, on differentiating u over v with respect to x, so here I shall write implied that d over dx u over v comes out to be, here v is a denominator, so here write denominator dot d over dx of numerator minus numerator dot d over dx of denominator whole over denominator का square. Implied that division u over v on differentiating u over v with respect to x implied that d over dx in bracket u over v bracket close equal to, here v is denominator v dot d over dx dot of numerator u minus numerator u dot d over dx of denominator whole over denominator का square. This is quotient rule. This is quotient rule. So this is the formula you must remember. And also this is the formula you must remember. And next concept is next, you know, here I shall write d over dx in bracket constant, any constant, take any constant, comes out to 0. So this is also one of the formula. D over dx of constant comes out to be 0. So this is concept I have written here. And now on the basis of this concept, this one, and this one, I shall take a question. Here I shall write question. Question number 1 I have written, differentiate the function differentiate the function sin x with respect to x. This is the question of which I am produce here solution. So here I shall write solution. Question 1 is differentiate the function sin x with respect to x. So what to do here? Here I shall write solution equal to, let the function y equal to sin x. Let the function y equal to sin x. Then I shall write here, on differentiating y with respect to x, and differentiating y with respect to x. So here I shall write implied that d over dx of y equal to d over dx sin x, imply that here you can see small d will multiply to y. Here you will get dy over dx, and here you can see d over dx, right here sin x, or right here 1. You will get here implied that dy over dx equal to, here you can see sin x is first function and 1 is another function. So here sin x is multiplied to 1. So here sin is one function and 1 is another function. Both these function is multiplied. So here I shall use product rule. The product rule says first function dot d over dx of second function 1 plus second function dot d over dx of second function sin x. Sin x first function dot d over dx second function plus second function dot d over dx first function. So here I shall write implied that d over dx is equal to sin x dot. Here I have written d over dx of 1. Here 1 is constant. So here if you apply this property, d over dx of constant comes out to be 0. On basis of this property, d over dx of 1. 1 here is constant. Constant का derivative will be 0. So here write multiply to 0. Plus 1 and d over dx of sin x comes out to here cos x. So you have got here implied that d over dx equal to sin x will multiply to 0. Here you will get 0 plus cos x you will get. Implied that dy over dx is equal to cos x you will get. So now established formula will be d over dx of sin x equal to cos x. This is the established formula. You must remember. D over dx of sin x equal to cos x. And here I shall take question number 2 also. Question number 2, if I shall write here question number 2 equal to derivative differentiate the function tan x WRT x. Question number 2, here I have written differentiate the function tan x with respect to x. Now come out to here solution. I shall write here solution equal to, let the function be, let the function be y equal to tan x. This thing we have got. So here I shall write imply that y equal to tan x equal to, here formula is there, trigo formula, tan x equal to sin x over cos x. This is the formula you must remember. Tan x equal to sin x over cos x. So here in place of tan x, I shall write sin x over cos x. So here write sin x over cos x, I shall write like this. Now here you can see the function y equal to sin x over cos x. So here I shall apply quotient rule. Quotient rule, by applying quotient rule. So here I shall apply quotient rule. So here I shall write on differentiating y WRT x, on differentiating y with respect to x. So here I shall write with respect to x. Here I have written with respect to x. This means that x will go in denominator. So here I shall write d over dx. Here dx, x has gone in denominator of y comes out to be here d over dx sin x over cos x. You have got. So what to do next? Here I shall write imply that apply here quotient rule. So here this small d will multiply to y. It comes out to be dy. So here write dy over dx equal to d over dx dot d over dx of sin x over cos x. So here I shall apply quotient rule. On applying quotient rule, so here quotient rule says denominator into, so here I shall write denominator into d over dx of numerator. So here I d over dx of sin x minus numerator dot d over dx of denominator whole over denominator का whole square. This thing will happen. dy over dx equal to denominator here is cos x. Denominator dot d over dx numerator minus numerator dot d over dx of denominator whole over denominator का whole square. So here you will get implied that dy over dx equal to cos x, and here I have written d over dx of sin x comes out to here cos x. So here write cos x minus in bracket sin x, and here d over dx of cos x comes out to be here minus sin x. So here write minus sin x whole over cos square x. Imply that d over dx equal to, here cos x will multiply to cos x. Here you will get cos square x, and here this minus will multiply to this minus, will get here plus, and sin x will multiply to sin x, comes out to be sin square x. Whole over cos square x equal to, you know the formula, cos square x plus sin square x equal to 1. So here I write 1 over cos square x, you will get. So here I have got d over dx equal to 1 over cos square x, comes out to be 1 over cos square x equal to sec square x. So here you will get sec square x. And now d over dx equal to sec square x. On basis of this statement, we shall get the formula d over dx of tan x equal to sec square x. This is the one of the important formula you must remember forever. D over dx of tan x is equal to sec square x. And here d over dx sin x is equal to cos x. And here you have got quotient rule formula d over dx first function over second function equal to this one. V here is denominator dot d over dx of numerator minus numerator dot d over dx of denominator whole over denominator chi square. This is the quotient rule. And also here d over dx of first function into second function equal to first function dot d over dx of second function plus second function dot d over dx of first function. This is product 2. And here d over dx of constant comes out to be 0. So here we have learned 4 things. Here we have learned product rule, quotient rule, and d over dx sin x is equal to cos x, and here also d over dx tan x is equal to sec square x, and also d over dx of constant comes out to be 0. Tan x is equal to sin x over cos x comes out to be. These are the some concept related to differentiation that has been covered in chapter 5 today. Okay guys, thanks.